Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to bend text in Adobe Express. Bending text in Adobe Express involves using the text effects available in the app, so here is how you can do it. First of all, open up the Adobe Express application on your mobile device. From the home page of Adobe Express, click on the plus button at the bottom right-hand corner and then start up a new project. Or you can also open up an existing project from your project list. Either way, once you get to this timeline, go ahead and add a text or select a text layer. Here I already have an added text layer on my image. Simply go ahead and select the text by simply tapping on it from the preview section, and once you do that, you will be able to see the text effects tools at the bottom of the screen. From the menu, go ahead and click on the layout option. From the text layout, you can go ahead and select the circle, arch or the bow option in order to bend in your text. Go ahead and increase or decrease the size of the bended text, or you can also rotate it according to your preference. After you are happy with your results, click on the tick mark in order to save your change. After you are done bending your text, you can also go ahead and adjust font size, colors, and other attributes to match your design. And after you're satisfied with the bent text, save your changes on the project by exporting your project like you normally do. And that's how you can easily bend text on Adobe Express. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.